like they slide too.
It's so pretty.
Sedona Fun Kids TV. Yeah! Hey guys, it's me Sedona. Today we are doing cutting open squishies, making slime with them. Part 3. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so whenever I post a new video, you know when it's out. So, we have some awesome squishy toys to cut open, and we have Billy and Bob. Wait, guys, listen. I have a frog, another mesh ball filled with Orbeez, this weird ice cream, and this chicken. Guys, look at this. And then this. What I'm gonna cut first is this. I wonder what's in here. Okay, ready? Steady.
Oh my goodness!
That was crazy. Let's do this, guys. Oosh! I'm going to make a clear Orbeez slime. What the heck? What's in there? So now let's get the clear glue. We're gonna make a metallic slime. So we're gonna grab one of our pigments, this one. This pigment is one of my favorite pigments. It's kind of like a green, but then it's kind of like a blue. It's really pretty.
Hi, Timmy.
Hi. How cute satisfying. I know, isn't it? Look at how cool this looks.
Whoa, look at that.
This is so pretty.
Wow.
I'm not going to put any more pigments because I want this to stay kind of clear. I'm going to also pour some water in here. And then I'm going to be using my Free Tide and Gentle. My Tide Free and Gentle. My clear.
Oh my god, Free Tide.
My mom's probably going to zoom this part up. What? Don't make
Funny how you
fun
say
of me.
Zoom it.
Okay, well, don't judge, okay? This is just like an amazing texture. I don't know, it's just the weirdest texture. It is a really thick slime because I used the almost clear glue. See how thick that is? Ooh, yes! Kind of looks like a Eggo, kind of. Wait, Mom, look!
Is that supposed to? Wow!
It's supposed to do this, and look!
That was so satisfying.
And this is what I normally do. It's just so addicting! Guys, give us names down in the comments what we should name our slimes. We'll show you the slime when it clears up. We're gonna cut up this one. Okay. I'm probably just gonna cut the net off first, so. Oh, guys, look at how pretty. It has way more bright colors than the one with the black net has. Okay.
We knew that
No one got all of them in the bowl. Whoa, guys, look at how pretty. Okay, guys, look. I'm just gonna make it a normal pearl one. I love this pearl one. It's probably one of my favorites because, like, if you add any type of food coloring and then add the normal pearl one, then it makes food coloring like pearly. Guys, look how pretty. This is just like amazing. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of a wedding or like a white dress. I'm probably gonna call it wedding birthday cake. Oh my god, guys, look at how pretty this is. Let's just take a minute to appreciate this moment. None of the Orbeez are falling out.
So guys, about our meet and greet, it's gonna be June 16th, and if you're in Vegas, we would love to see you.
Oh my god, guys, look at how thick this is. And guys, my music video is coming soon. Oh, and I just want to give a shout out to Emily because her cat might die. I'm sorry, Emily. I'm gonna be honest with you, but no offense, I don't really like Orbeez and slime. It's just not satisfying whatsoever because they always fall out. You see what I mean? It's like not satisfying whatsoever. I think I should cut Billy and Bob next.
No, please don't cut me.
No. I'm never gonna cut you. You're my pet Galapagos penguin. I'm gonna pick Bob.
Hi, no, stop.
What are you doing?
Hey guys, it's me, Blobby, and I'm here to save Bob. They are alive. They speak like me.
Oh, I'm not gonna cut them if they speak. I thought they were just squishy toys, but they're real animals. You like that, don't you?
Yeah, please make it. We don't want to be cut up.
You're not gonna get cut up today, trust me. I wonder what's inside, but maybe I'll get another one of them and then cut one of them open. Maybe.
Unless you call it something again.
Yeah. I guess the only two left is the octopus and
Crazy chicken.
and the crazy chicken too. So there's like a creepy like egg yolk or something. It's like weird. Ah! Okay, so first I'm gonna cut his head off. Why did you do that, Mama?
Sorry.
Why did you say that? Oh. Hey, at least it's a finger puppet now. And now we're gonna cut off the dissect. It's like I'm dissecting a frog or something. Oh, so that's the kazuka part. Kazuka. This one was really weird. Like, what the heck? You always have glitter on you, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm afraid it's gonna go everywhere. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready, guys? Wait.
What?
Guys, before Sedona cuts it,
Make sure to like in 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
If you did it, make sure to comment hashtag Unicorn Squad if you're part of the Unicorn Squad, or hashtag Blobby Squad. And guys, comment down below what should Blobby's merch look like, because we're getting up his merch and stuff. And guess what, guys? There are gonna be Blobby pictures so like he can sign them for his like autographs. But anyways,
I will?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So excited, guys, to meet you.
Okay. He said. I'm waiting here trying to squish this, and you're like, I'm so excited.
I'm sorry, I got a little overexcited, guys.
Wait, could you come to Walmart with me?
Yes.
Yes. Blobby goes to Walmart.
We are going to Walmart, guys, to buy some wood because we are going to make a fire.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Go! Just do it!
Just do it! Go. Oh, God. God, I thought I cutted it. Oh, I forgot to squish it. Oh, so guys, here it is. Can't really hear anything. Where's the big scissors? Okay, ready?
Oh my God. Sedona!
Can I see myself?
It's everyone. Was it a liquid? Oh my goodness. Is it on the camera? Let me see.
Oh,
You were right to be scared. There's nothing in that.
Guys, it sprayed everywhere. Here's the yolk. It's really cool, but like not.
ooh.
Oh wow.
There's not gonna be much slime from this.
I know. So guys, now I'm gonna do this Elmer's purple colored glue.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna add some extra glue. So I have these Themo slices, so we're gonna add those in at the end.
I think she should put orange there. What do you think, guys? Just a tiny bit.
The orange one is one of my favorites, to be honest.
You say that about every one of them. I like it.
It's happening. Okay, guys, look at how pretty this is. Okay, so now let's activate it. I don't think we're gonna need any more activator. Okay, so it's kind of like an orangey color now. I didn't put that much.
I know, it was only a little bit.
Yeah, but that color was really faint. Anyway, so now it's time to put some of these in. I'm gonna actually put all the dragon fruits because I have another. Okay. I dare you to poke the slime. Guys, go in the comments and show some love for Blobby.
Yes, I love you guys.
Yup, he really does, guys.
Yeah.
At dinner, he always talks about you.
And in the evening, I read my fan mail for bedtime. I love it.
Okay, now time for this one.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Guys, what do you think is inside there?
I think there's slime.
I think there's slime too, or gel or something.
I know it's some kind of gel. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Octopus doesn't speak, guys, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna be standing in the distance.
It's gel! I knew it.
It's gel.
Ew.
Is it gonna make slime, you think?
I think it's gonna make slime some glue. Oh my god, it's so pearlescent.
It is?
It looked like it. Guys, it's slime.
Wow. Oh, I wanna see the guy. Don't stop on it. Let's see. Guys, comment down below. Hold on, wait. Comment if you think it's gonna make a slime or not.
Dang it, it's not activating.
It is.
No, it's not. Just kidding.
It is activated. Guys, it's gonna stay activated or it's gonna melt later.
Oh my god, it's melting.
It's a unicorn slime factory. You like it, guys? I like it. Ooh, thank you, Sedona.
Whoa, guys, this is amazing. Guys, it's so thick.
Which one is your favorite, guys, so far?
This one's probably one of my favorites.
Look at Blobby. Look at, Blobby's gonna do a potato masher. Wait.
It's gonna fail.
Wait, Blobby's gonna do
Oh
that.
my god, he has such long hair.
Ugh.
Oh, how to get slime out of hair.
Oh my god. Yeah!
And then you do this, and then you do this, and now you can squish it. Okay, on to the next slime. Stop it, Blobby!
Let's cut up the froggy.
I'm cutting him up. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show them. Look at this, guys. She's cutting the frog. Daddy, go.
Oh, that didn't go everywhere. That's...
I thought they were red. Did you think they were red? I thought they were red, but they're pink. Oh my goodness.
So I'm gonna put the food coloring in before because I want it to like be cool and stuff for you guys. Oh, and I'm gonna do a white glue for you guys. Oof. Wait,
That is so pretty.
Oh my god, look at the bone. I'm gonna use all of it.
No. That is so nice. Guys, comment down below if you like it.
Let's add the Tide in. I'm only gonna put a little bit.
Billy? Bob, do you like it?
You're in love with those Galapagos penguins.
I like it.
Oh my god, guys, look at that. Blobby, he's not like you, okay? He can't have slime.
He likes it.
He doesn't like it. It's okay. They're one of the rarest geckos in the world, okay?
Yeah.
So you should just keep them away from slime, okay? They're
Yeah.
really endangered.
Okay, come over there.
Yeah, okay, thank you, because
Okay.
they could die.
Ooh, look at that tail moving. By itself. See, I told you they were alive.
Oh my god, no! Get them away from the Tide, now! Now! They could die from it, okay? They're not like a unicorn or something. No! I'm sorry, Billy, but
You
you
can't
could die.
You sit over there with Bob.
Such with me.
Be good, guys.
Okay, well, this is so amazing. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you how the slime's cleared up. And it is the next day, so the slime's cleared up really fast. Here it is, guys. I think it's really pretty. This one is a really, really nice slime. And it has the weirdest texture ever.
And this one is from the octopus.
Yeah. And then the next one is this one. This one is so pretty.
It is kind of like blue-green metallic.
This one's really thick.
Oh, this is so pretty, guys. I think this is my
Look
favorite.
at the bottom. It's so pretty. This one's so clear. Guys, look. Oh wow, okay, well that's dripping everywhere.
And this one is from what?
I think the green Orbeez.
But they look clear.
Yeah, they are clear. And then here's the pretty wedding cake kind of birthday confetti slime. It has a little tint of blue. It is sticky on the bottom just because it's clearing up. But yeah. So then this one is our hot pink slime.
The frog.
Oh my god, what the heck? Guys, look at it now. It was like a very, very hot pink and now it's light pink.
I never saw that before.
Anyways, this one is definitely not my favorite. So then here's our dragon fruit bonanza because it's orange. This one was yes. These are so thick. Whoa, guys, look at how thick. Guys, thick slimes are better and way better to make bubbles with. We made a little slime smoothie for the little slime pieces that didn't fit in. And I am not excited to touch this one because, guys, look, it has a disgusting pink slime.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I'm gonna make a bubble.
I think the slime smoothie is my most favorite.
Yeah.
And then this one, the mermaid one.
That's not called mermaid slime.
Well, I called it mermaid.
Because it's turning into like a poopy unicorn color. Purple. I think it's turning into purple, which is really weird. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this awesome video. Before we go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below which was your favorite part of the video. Anyways,
Bye, guys. We love you. I saved it.